Hi, this is Math Globe. A circle of radius 3 intersects another circle radius 4, as shown. What is the difference of the areas of the non-overlapping portions? Let the solution come. Okay, first, let's redraw the shapes here, and take a closer look to the circles. As seen, radius of the circles are 3 and 4 units respectively. Next, let's A to be area of the smaller circle, and B to be area of the larger one. Then, let's X to be the intersection area of the two circles. From this, the area of the smaller lune will be a minus X. Likewise, the area of the second lune will be equal to B minus X. Next, if we subtract first expression from the second one, X cancel, and we are left with the following. Then, as we calculate the area of the circles, the solution will be 7 pi.